I met the Renew Trust in 2021, like 18 months into COVID. I didn't even realize that I'd already been working with them. I'd met a family, and through the family and people dropping off food parcels to then network through the community kitchens to get them to the families that really needed them. I realized in those parcels already that the people packing this were people full of love, because there was a sweet packet and a scripture inside. And that had been a very different response to anything else we'd seen. And then just after that, I met one of the trustees in Renew Trust, and we started talking around that, just the difference in treating people as humans with dignity versus just feeding them as people who need to be fed because you've got to do something good. The trust really understood that these kitchens cannot happen without incredible human beings standing behind it who have a heart for their people. And so then listening to their stories and getting involved with each of those ladies in a broader way, coming to support them, was my experience of the trust in the beginning, that they weren't just there to pass out food. Their heart was really to work with and develop community and develop safe places for children who need it. They are serving the most vulnerable people in the community.
In Vasante Kraal, nee, is baie uitdagings. Ons het baie kere 350 na 400, 500 mense toe in die lyne saans. Dis nie altyd maklik nie, maar dis moontlik met die hulp van die Here. Dan kom hulle maar op kom huis toe. Hulle kom hier na toe. Soos dit ook is, ons is honger, so dan moet ek maak kos, so ek maak Maandag, Woensdag en Vrydag maak ek een Vasante Kraal kos. Ek sou dit nooit kon gemaak het as ek nie die Here moes in my lewe gehad het nie. Dit is wat ons hou. Die feit is dat ons die Here in ons lewe het, ons het Jesus gekies, ons ver vir hom en gebed. Want dis gebed en nogmaals gebed wat ons dra in die tyd in die lewe in Vasante Kraal in.
Ek het 'n sopkombuis begin omdat daar was 'n need. En omdat ek myself weet wat dit is om honger te ly, ek myself het uit dromme geëet, so ek weet wat dit is om honger te wees. Ons pad het baie verander van haar sopkombuis gekom het. Kinders speel, hulle speel, om 'n kind te sien speel in Vasante Kraal se strate is 'n voorreg. Dit is 'n privilege om 'n kind te sien speel daar met 'n bal of wat, because it was gone. It was gone. Ons van die ouers het moed opgegee, because hulle het nie meer geweet wat om te doen nie. God voed sy eie kinders. Hy voed sy eie kinders. En die Here sê he's gonna go bigger on that soup kitchen. Ek weet nie wat die Here nou gaan doen huidiglik, wat hy nou min besig is of so nie. Ek gaan maar net aan en ek kry en ek gee.